Hi, in this video, I'll give you a detailed breakdown on how to edit your kids' images. Let's start by clicking Add Image. We can either take a picture or choose from Device. I'll choose from Device. Let's use this one. From here, we can scale the image up or down. Depending on the picture, it may be too large or too small. But now it's just right. When you're done sizing it, tap Done. Next, we want to crop the image. To do that, tap Draw Area, and then draw on the screen to get exactly the image that you want. If you want to adjust the image more precisely, you can use the Recover Area function to get back some of the stuff you've cropped out already. You can also use the Remove Area to crop out a little bit more. If you want to go into really fine detail, use the Zoom function. And then you can remove with greater detail. You can also use the Undo function if you made a mistake. Once you're done, click Done. This saves the image. This image is now available for use in Storybooks. That's all for this video. In the next video, we'll go into more detail about how to edit your kid's profile. Thanks for watching.